Hello everyone, it's Mudit and this is the 11th video of the game. So in this video I was going to show you how to make 3D grass. So I have this image right here. You can keep an image of your own if you want, or you can download from the internet. So I'll run and show you. I'll run the script and show you. So basically that image is going to be placed randomly throughout the world at the places you want it to be placed. So I don't want it to be placed where mud is there, and I want it to be placed everywhere else. So this is how it is. At the left side of the screen mud is there, and that's why this image is not placed where it is. So yeah, this is how it is. As you can see, it also moves with the wind like this. So to make that effect, I simply told it to move the upper part of the image only in circles, and the lower part remains fixed on the terrain. So basically this is how you give a fake moving effect. And that's it for this video. In the next video I'll show you how you can make these images on the terrain actually pop out rather than just simply look flat. And yeah, that's it. Once we make that effect, we can make a lot of details without actually making the details manually. We can simply apply a high quality image which pops out, and the image, that area will look detailed by itself. So the terrain at least won't be something we'll have to worry about after that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you know someone who has interest in these all things, then do recommend my account. And yeah, if you have interest yourself, then do consider following as well. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. So bye.